Do it, bro.
Do we have any wood?
Oh, they're right outside. Oh my god, they're
I
actually
think
right
they're
outside.
Oh, they're raiding us.
They're raiding us.
Yeah.
Oh, they're raiding us. Who uses vertical embrasures? They're in our enemy space. Our neighbor space.
Teammates? Oh yeah.
They're on a rock right behind our base.
Behind?
Hey, yeah, man, I'm dead. Oh my god.
I'm dead too.
I'm on timer.
Yeah, I'm on a 180-second timer. I just spawned on the other side.
Oh!
You good?
Who's magical cake?
I just stood up.
Hey, you wanna go up there?
Oh, I see them over there. Yeah.
Oh, are they booming our base?
No.
Nope.
No.
It's different base. They're probably raiding that one dude's base, the sheet metal. What's his name?
You have no clothes. It's annoying as fuck.
It's probably because we're all stone and we're like not shooting back. They probably think we don't got nothing. Cause we peeked them with Hazzies. So.
I'm gonna go sit on our neighbor's base roof, waiting for the raid.
So
I feel like they will.
Wait, what'd you say, David?
You have the AK? On you?
I
Or no?
The AK? Like an AK
Like,
or
guys,
the
yeah,
AK?
Right, airdrop just
An
got
AK
called right
off
up
my
our base.
body that you picked up.
No, I didn't pick up
Yeah,
anything.
let me
I did. I think I did.
Oh, that's over a dome.
If you guys could try and get some HQM from like recycling or something, I don't know.
No one's here.
Come home and play a little game.
Yeah.
You say get a high
What are you recycling? Oh yeah. Let's do a recycle run for high qual so we can get some masks and keep TC up.
What?
What happened?
I lost.
Where'd you lose at?
Chippy.
Chippy? Oh.
Well.
Oh, yeah.
I just heard someone sneak up.
Pick up where?
So that was one of us to the base then. I hear someone outside. Is that anyone on the bus?
Nah, I'll come over. Let me just quick peek real quick.
I'm not playing Fetch Me anymore.
Probably was me, Yuri.
Are you sure? Were you on grass?
Yeah.
Like, it could have been, but you like, I don't know, I heard someone making noise. I think it was one of us. Okay. Yeah, see, it's pretty warm. I've been just sitting right here with my head down, like right here. Pretty vibing.
What do you have, a SAR?
Yep.
What's the pop?
I'm gonna be honest, bro. I don't think they're even coming back.
Yeah. Cause they think we're poor, cause our base.
I think they think we're new.
That's scary.
So, what do you want?
That's what I was waiting for Nox to get.
I have like 32 coming right back in.
Is this the last thing I need to craft for our AK kits? And then kits are done besides ammo and putting meds in.
Oh, that's you're doing something with it.
Listen, I'm a level 25. Oh, there we go. W.
Should be
This is
made
really
by now.
cool.
Yeah.
And here, look
Yeah.
at
The,
it.
We're ready for walls.
what is it called? I can't.
It's a woman.
A woman!
Yeah, right down here.
Where? Coming.
You good?
He's naked. Hello. Glumpy.
Keep him alive. Keep him alive.
Keep him alive.
You wanna live in a cage with us?
You're going there.
Alright, now
That's your cage
dance.
now. That's your cage now.
We'll give you food and stuff, okay?
You live here now.
Hey, sing King Von.
Getting him to sing.
Got some top from the stripper bit.
Hey, W. You gotta love this pet, man. I see him. Well, he has camouflage. Yeah, that was really cool. Like, from here, like, you can't see his. AK guys, side the base. AK guys. Ow! They're on roof. They're on the second floor.
They're on our roof.
I guess they laddered up or
So
something.
you want
I
to
don't
come in and look? Cause like, it's either that or you
know.
raid
They're
us, right?
don't go up the third floor. They're on the third floor.
Hit twice with AK?
He's medding.
They're above us.
I swear
Yeah,
to God, one.
I'm
go
teaming them. You guys need
Should we
to
go
do
here?
something.
Should we go up this garage?
Cause they're getting through this.
Oh.
Oh, they opened it. They opened.
One's dead. He's in here. You got him?
Oh, I headshot him.
Oh.
He got me.
Got him.
Good job. Good
Okay.
job.
All
Good
dead.
job.
All dead.
Oh yeah, full
I think
dead.
that's all.
One guy was dead, and then there was another guy in there, so they're all dead. All dead.
All dead?
Yeah, all dead.
100%?
Oh, I'm spawning it at there. This little random thing. Yo, what's up, man? Oh.
I'm about to die.
Everything. I'm gonna go depot. Where are you
Okay.
done?
I'm on the garage.
organization
I'm behind the
is
garage door. Right here. Pick me.
Where?
Yeah,
Dead.
Are they bagged over here or?
Nah, they just ran back.
One headshot, body shot.
Go
Where?
Like right in front of the gate, northwest.
They're on our guys. They're in our on a roof. On a roof.
On a roof?
On a roof. On a
I
roof.
thought that was our teammate. I thought that was Nippy. I didn't know he
Okay.
died.
Wait, just
They're going up. They're laddering up. Two are on a roof. Two are on our roof.
closing door.
You need to close the garage door.
Chip, is that you going up?
Oh,
the
that's
roof?
World Trade Center. That's one of the guys that was typing. Yeah, it is.
Do not open this
Can't
garage door,
spawn in,
please.
but-
There's
Sure.
kits in this space. Let's watch there. Come on, standing on. Come on, make it through.
There's one guy. Out there.
AKA kid just dropped down, killed him.
Yep, we are.
Yeah.
We are. We're countering.
Oh, yo, can you help us? Can you help us?
Yo, he got this like three
These
kits right
motherfuckers
over
are
here.
on our roof. Can you
Get
get
'em?
on our roof? Can you
They're
get
trying
'em?
to get the kits back. Somebody, like,
In that little locker room, there's
dude,
my
that's right
body.
here.
I just have to F1.
Wait, who's friendly?
I don't know. Just don't leave. Just don't leave. I wish I could.
Okay, do you guys see my screen? There's like 3 kids right here.
Oh yeah, yeah. Wait. I see
Who's
him
there?
on the little.
Yeah. They're back.
I'm dead.
Headshot.
I'm
One.
dead with AK. Right on front door. Right outside front door. There's AK kid.
Yo, you guys still alive? You guys still alive?
Doggo, right outside front door. There's a guy.
Alright.
Wait, is this us?
I just found a stone.
Oh, I just got
Can't
killed
see
by fucking some guy.
Did you guys
you
just
aren't
kill
seeing
somebody?
it.
You guys just kill somebody?
Just I didn't even see it. Like my
He's hit
AK
hard.
fell.
Hit hard.
Okay, that was
This
is me
running
that
up.
was one of my teammates.
Who is this? Who is this? Good or bad? In front of me.
I have no ammo, bro.
Is that you? Chill guy? Alright.
I'm kind of
I need-
excited to speak. Oh, I'm dead.
Wish I had a fucking flashlight.
Where?
They were on our door, like on the front door. Oh! I'm dead.
Got him.
This way. Nice.
Yeah.
I'm gonna repair whatever's upstairs. Give me a
Some
second.
guy's running up in water.
Got him.
I'm trying to run it. That's not me. There's another one.
Got him.
Nice. I'm grabbing my AK kit. I don't know where the hell it is, but
I'm getting stones and I'm going up to roof. I'm getting
I'm
stones.
on
I'm gonna
roof
repair the
right now.
roof. Okay, yeah, just make sure it's safe.
Pick up the ladder. Bring
Yeah,
a
that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm
hammer,
doing.
Let me inside. I'm gonna go inside. Fuck. I need a flashlight right now.
Ran out.
Why would I check the
You
body?
guys-
down?
50 southwest. 50 southwest. They're running northeast.
Yeah.
dead.
Good shit. Good
Is it
shit.
2? How many?
One. It
north?
was one.
Okay, I'm going for it. Boondin. Oh, you sure you even had a gun, bro?
Dude, these
Bro,
guys
shot
are not
it.
online for shit.
Oh shit. You good?
You fucking suck, bro. Get shit on.
There's another one down there, but just come back.
Down where?
I gotta go get more healed.
50, 60. I see him. He's on a rock.
Yeah, I think it's my first time like being online, having a chance.
Yeah, this is kind of fun.
Where was he, David?
He's tree line.
that's-
What was what?
Tree line. Yeah.
Direction? Give me. Can I get a direction?
20, 30.
East. Yeah.
Okay, I need to make another garage door, and then I'm gonna pick up this last.
Hit him twice.
He dropped down, so I don't know if
these
he died of
ladders.
fall
Just a
damage.
second.
Oh, I saw him.
Where?
20 from base. 20 from base. He ran across. He might be going like 10.
I'm making garage doors. I'm making garage doors.
I'm pushing up with you.
Fuck, I
I'm
might
running
die. I might die.
Run back.
I need some help.
I'm watching.
up. Yeah, I'm running up. Run over to me. I got meds on.
There's a guy in the water.
Is he dead?
He's dead in the water. Yeah, guy on the
Yeah.
hill. Oh, yeah.
Then
Behind you. Come here.
Oh, hey.
Come here.
I'm good.
I got
But
oh, you
you
got
gotta worry
meds?
about this. Let me get.
Okay.
I see him.
Where's Tommy, kid?
He was on the rock left side 10 of where I'm at. Got Tommy. I'm gonna go back. I need more meds.
I got
Me a
meds
little.
on me if you want to run over.
How
to
many
me.
do you have?
5.
Yeah, I'll
split.
take. If you can give me 2.
Yeah. Depoting this. I'm not out with you.
Yeah, just tapping at Yeah, that's
Are
it.
you repairing
it's us.
right now?
Me?
Yeah. Who's repairing
It's me.
this?
It's me.
No, I'm just asking, like,
Who's
in
water?
general, if somebody was
No,
repairing.
none of us.
Nobody's water.
Where
hit
direction?
him once.
I don't see anyone in the water.
On our base.
He's like, yeah, he's naked. Naked and
Dead.
shit.
bro, get what?
Where's the giga
Tell me you ran.
Hit a head chorus,
Hell
door.
no. Hell no, bro.
Yeah.
You don't even know who I am, little bro.
One hit.
They're just sitting there on the damn fucking.
Boy. What the boy?
One pushed out, one pushed out. He's red base, brick base. He's Arctic. He's pushing up. Look to your left, look. Shit, I'm
Where, bro?
like 100 of me. They're going up the hill right now, Hit once. Shit, I'm dead.
Like, I'm trapped in the, you know the wall you died on?
Yeah.
I'm on that wall, and there's like people behind me, people in front of me, people to my right. Like, you get your body?
Yeah, I'm about it right now. Hold on.
Common rushed out.
Where are they?
What the
They're
freak?
the base.
They're in the base, I think. 'Cause I don't know anymore. I heard some behind me.
Green FN. Boy.
No one's our friend at the moment.
So do I shoot the guy who's white and with a bow?
No.
No.
Not him.
Maybe that guy might be a friend.
Oh, rip little bro. He's dead.
We
Where
got
from?
up.
They're rockets.
Behind me?
Green FN.
There's like
I'm
six
rushing,
of them
I'm
behind.
rushing. I'm rushing.
I killed one though. One's full dead.
Where's the other one?
On beach. One more. He's won it.
Where?
You're fucking shooting at us. I'm gonna try to get as close as possible. Are they in their windows?
They were, and I've seen like a hot minute now. If you run up, they're probably gonna peek in windows. I'll watch.
Got it.
You missed it.
What's with that? What kind of
No,
rock was that?
That was HV.
HP.
What door?
I have a bag literally on my body.
I'm healing.
Well, they got it now. It's over. Oh,
Oh, your kid's not on. I just killed the guy. Who got it?
one timer. I'm
Who's that?
not.
Oh shit. Oh, crawl.
Is that the friendly guy?
No, that's
Yeah.
definitely not him.
Hey, res me. Hey, res me.
Oh.
Can you res me?
Come over.
Okay, do I come out with rockets now or no?
Yeah. I'm still trying to get my kit back.
I can't res you. What the f?
Good.
Oh, hit the wrong button. Sorry. I see. This guy down there. This guy watching over there.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna try and go for it. Red laser on me. Up the hill, yeah. It's world.
I hit their fucking outer.
He might be dead. I hit him hard. He's hit hard.
It's him, yeah.
Yeah, good job. I killed him.
Oh.
Shit.
got him.
Oh shit. Behind us. I'm dead. I'm
Got
on top
one.
again. I'm on top
I
again.
got one.
Bolty.
Killed.
I didn't loot him. I just killed him.
Who are you shooting at and where?
There was a guy outside Revy, I think, naked. Outside the base.
Bro, I fucking suck, man.
Our base?
No, their base.
What are we gonna blow through next?
This is at
Alright.
88. Oh, no.
Oh, go Troy.
Thanks for the rockets, retard. Oh no.
Can you grab lit it? Okay, I'm blowing. Back up.
C4 it? Should I C4 it?
Yeah, C4 that garage, that.
I have one rocket left.
I have two. I'm reloading rocket launcher.
Same, I just reloaded.
Bye.
762.
What is that?
Above.
Running back naked, running back naked. I'm running back.
They got me,
Shit.
but I killed them.
Yeah,
They got
I know.
I killed them though.
You good?
Kiddo.
Yeah, I'm good. I was just shooting it so they can't back up. I'm shooting.
I mean,
Come on, blow up.
What's it at? What was it at?
Oh my god, I don't know. No, oh my god, no.
43. What do we do? What do we do? What do we do?
Yo, come help me, man.
Do we have any more at all?
No. Retard. We have 1 HV. We have an HV.
no
This is
life
at
in the
400
life of a noob, I
HP,
want
man.
the rising sun.
Okay.
No life in the life of a noob is one for everyone. Nothing like a noob, I watch the rising sun.
424. 424.
Can you like go back and make boom at all and we can cover or
Yeah.
here, take this. I'm just gonna keep shooting this periodically.
Shit! On me, behind. I'm dead.
Back shots!
Oh, bro.
Run back now.
I'm in such a shit
Headshot
spot,
one,
I'm on
headshot
plate.
one.
Boy.
One's dead, one's dead. They're running, they're running.
If only we had ladders. Can you please bring ladders for the love of God?
Where'd you kill him?
They're right up the base, on that wall, but there's also someone in this honeycomb. Like in the door where the door's open. Loot him. There's a guy right there. Guy right there. Like
Where?
right there.
Hold off for 1 minute. Hold off for
Is
1
he
minute.
there?
Or should I run back? Should I run
In
back
there.
now?
In there, Dargo.
Dead.
You good?
Hold on. Yeah, we're good.
Okay, I'm running back.
Heal up.
Yeah.
They're all dead. All dead right there. My AK is going to break, and I'm gonna
Here
need a
one.
new AK.
I'm gonna get you one. I'm gonna get you one
You
right
guys going out.
now. I got you new again. I'm running back.
I like mad kits on me.
Don't bother bringing AK. There's AK. Yeah, there's AK plenty.
Okay.
I need Dargo. I need meds, please.
Come over.
Please give me anything.
Bro, if I'm
Hey, close door, you
Gosh,
close door.
did you loot everything? Did you loot everything in there?
Yeah, I got everything.
Okay.
oh,
You got all guns on the floor? There's like
Yeah.
3. There should be.
Okay, running back with 116 on Expo.
Ammo?
Expo ammo, yeah.
What? I mean, whatever
Here's
works.
some
But
more, here's some more.
I
have, like-
got plenty of it. I got plenty.
Is there an extra AK around here?
Even I don't know, but I need
No.
I need one now.
I don't have one.
A laser was on my head.
I'm gonna be dead without an extra AK.
It's 275. It's 275.
I have an MP5 diamond.
Alright, give me anything. Literally, as long as it's a weapon. I got bullets. I'm out of AK bullets. If you can give me some of that too.
MP5 around me.
One coming up.
Bullets.
I have some right
AK
here.
bullets. I need AK.
I don't have AK
I need
bullets.
AK. Okay.
210. It's at 210.
I'm out of everything.
So you are going girlfriend.
One dead.
Are you good?
Alright, come over here.
My
I'm
AK
low.
is about to break. Give me your AK now. Is there an AK in there?
No. I need an AK too. Mine's about to break. It's so
Oh, yeah.
awful. 140.
It's out. It's out. It's out.
Can you give me some? I'll spray whatever I have with AK. Give me the rest of the expo.
All I got is a shotgun right now. It's 130.
Oh, I loaded the fucking wrong bullets. My AK broke. Someone's
Many-
it's at 60. Someone's gonna have to go get more. Someone's gonna have to go get another AK.
Go get another AK now. Get two.
Me?
Yes.
Yeah. So,
All right, I'm running. Louis, take this. Randy. AK number 1 and AK number 2 right here. On me.
I need. I'm loading X-Plug.
Shoot it.
Oh my God, no. That's it?
Oh my god. Come and shoot.
Dude, this late guy is annoying as fuck.
Wait.
This is fucking jump up. Let's go.
No, it's funny. What's something? What is this? The jump up to nothing.
Good.
Guys, take it up.
No, we don't know. I don't know.
Okay, I think it's only wins.
Yeah, it's fine.
Love social life. Love right now.
Yeah, I'm running away. I need more bullets. I tried to hold that down. I guess I held it down though. I don't know.
You still have no job. You have no what the like. You down motherfucker.
Yeah, we gotta been completely.
You had sulfur in the fucking loader. You'll be fine. Hang on.
I don't know.
I'm a flashlight. They're coming through this garage door. We're at TC.
You at TC what?
No. Get in my nose. We're deep.
Dead.
Dude, we're almost at fucking TC. TC.
What do you need? What do do I grab? What should I grab?
Hold bags.
Anything,
Hold bags.
anything.
Hold bags.
We don't have any boom at all.
Hold bags.
Did we destroy bags?
Destroy.
Yes,
Sorry. Watch the door.
We need to destroy
Watch the door.
That guy had a sword.
I'm bringing a ton of AK. Hey, mom. It's turning day. Watch out.
Dude,
Who's
these
running
guys
up?
are actually fucking retarded. I can literally see TC. No, I can't. I need your light, Nippy. Give me your light.
Nah, I can't give you my light.
Do you see anything? They're despawning.
They're respawning.
They are.
Yeah.
Yes.
Makes sense. Okay.
Hey man, where your girlfriend at, man?
We sneak in, dude. Oh, we can. That's TC room right there. Oh, there.
Sorry,
Oh,
sorry.
oh, good.
Can you give me some?
Yo!
Fold
No.
in.
Alright, delete bags. Destroy bags. Destroy. You good?
Okay. Oh, this.
Dude, okay. Fuck. Backpacks. We need to pick all this up now.
Oh, yeah, we do.
It's just you in there, bro.
Oh my God. No, it's me too.
Oh,
Getting TC.
Oh, move. Oh, put it all back in the boxes. Go
Yes.
and fill in. Go. Go jump up my head. Go up and fill your inventory. You got up?
Okay. Yeah, I got it.
Go fill your inventory. I don't know what else we left.
Dude. How did we do that?
I don't know.
I just put on a voice and said. They opened the door and came out with a gun.
I don't
Someone's
understand.
outside.
Are
Is
they?
that one of you?
Do you want me to come back?
Someone's outside.
No,
yeah.
neither of us. I'm coming back.
They're outside. I can't get out.
How many?
They're opening doors. No. Hurry. Come back. They're outside.
No.
Neither of us.
Where's the wood?
Got him.
Nice.
You don't have any wood.
He opened the door.
No, we did, didn't we? Some guy.
No, we used it all for walls.
I'm gonna kill all these deer over here. I'm getting mad at them.
Yeah, same.
Boat?
Okay, I'm running back.
There's a boat coming.
Hold on. He's turned it on. Dead? There's a ninja suit?
Oh.
That's why your loot is inside my face. Hey man, so we won an online, and then we online someone else and won that, so pretty good day.
We're kind of on top of the world.